Every time your visitors leave your site for a video call, you lose them, and your branding goes with them. Meet FlexMeeting. Host live video conferences right inside your WordPress website. No third-party platform required. Search for FlexMeeting in the WordPress plugin directory, install it, and activate. It's free to get started. Next, create a new meeting. Add a title. Pick your date and time, and your meeting is ready. Drop it into any page with the Gutenberg block, the Elementor widget, or a simple shortcode. Whichever way you build. Share your screen, sketch on the whiteboard, collect registrations, and even sell access through WooCommerce or your LMS. Teachers embed live classes right inside their courses, keeping students in one place from lesson to call. Consultants and teams host client calls without ever sending anyone to a separate app. Download FlexMeeting for free from the WordPress plugin directory and embed your first video conference today.